Welcome in. I am the Crypto Bull God, and in today's video, what we're going to do is discuss 3 simple steps to watch for in the charts to feel convicted that the Bitcoin bull is back. If you appreciate the content, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. I've actually been doing a lot more live streams lately, whether it's the Bitcoin Crypto Happy Hour, Bitcoin Crypto Weekly Closes, perhaps some more to come. So if you get notifications, you'll know when I'm going live. As you know, I like to keep it stupid, simple on this channel, okay? There are a lot of charts out there, a lot of charts that other content creators who I value, whether it's on Twitter or YouTube, share with you. There are endless amounts of charts, and there are charts I share with you. What I've really tried to do today is to whittle it down to 3 main charts and 3 main steps that you can hone in on and check off to feel convicted that the Bitcoin crypto bull market is back. One quick premise before we get into these charts that I really want you to keep in mind. If you've been subscribed for a while, you know this. Anytime you look at a smaller time frame, like let's say a 1-day chart, and bullish momentum starts to pick up within that smaller time frame and sustain itself, it bleeds over into the higher time frames like the 1 week or 1 month chart. Keep this idea in mind as we move forward. Just a quick disclosure that none of what I'm sharing is financial advice. I'm simply looking to educate and to help others. All of your own personal financial decisions are up to you. We're all big boys and big girls, right? So with that being said, let's get into it. Step number 1. Step number 1 is bullish confirmation on the Bitcoin 12-hour chart. If you've been subscribed here for a while, you know the historical significance within the Bitcoin 12-hour chart. I will leave a link in the description for that historical context. There are 3 things we want to watch for to check off the box on step 1 on the 12-hour chart. Number 1, we need to get candle body closes and price action to sustain above the 200 simple moving average, which is the pink line. Step number 2 here, the second thing we want to see, we need the purple line, which is the 50 simple moving average, to create a golden cross and cross above the 200 simple moving average. And the last thing we need to see, which is very important, you see how these moving averages are all curling down? We need them all to flatten out and begin to curl up. Once all 3 things have occurred, we can check off the box for step 1. Step 2 is bullish confirmation on the 3-day chart. We're looking at a 125 simple moving average on the 3-day chart, a moving average that I have not seen anyone else speak to. Very clear as day, you can see when we break below the 125 simple moving average, sustained bearish price action. The red circles are indicative of when candle body closes and price action has sustained itself above the 125 simple moving average, and you can see based on the green lines we have had a massive run. Sustained price action once we drop below, we break above, massive run, 3,000 to 14,000 in this case back in 2019. The beer virus, we broke down, okay, sustained price action below. Once we got conviction above, we ran from about 8,000 all the way up to 64,000, massive run. So to check the box for step number 2, we need price action to start picking up pace and getting above the 125 simple moving average. The last step, step 3, before we can feel convicted that the Bitcoin crypto bull market is back. And if you appreciate the content, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notifications. Hey. All right, this is the Bitcoin 10-day chart. Same moving average. It's the 125 simple moving average. When we get above here, once again with conviction, we can see we have sustained price action up. We get back above it after we've broken below, sustained price action up. We broke below temporarily, we got back above, sustained price and action up. So the same sort of thing you want to look for now on a higher time frame on the 10-day chart. We need price action to get above this 125 simple moving average with conviction, with candle body closes, to check off the box for step number 3. So step 1 is bullish confirmation on the 12-hour chart. Once that's sustained, okay, that bullish momentum is going to carry over into the higher time frame, the 3-day chart. Step number 2 is checking off bullish confirmation on the 3-day chart. That's bullish momentum, as long as it is sustained, should carry over into the 10-day chart. Step number 3 is bullish confirmation on the 10-day chart. Once we check the box for all 3, we can feel convicted that the Bitcoin crypto bull is back, brother. All right, so if you appreciated this content and you'd like to share it with others, please do. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, spread awareness and carry the education forward.
So what you gonna do, $5 on CryptoBullGod and his crypto maniacs and the entire cryptocurrency market run wild on you?